In this video, I'm going to show you how to make pumpkin oat bread. To make the topping, you're going to need a half a cup of chopped walnuts, 1 tablespoon of chilled butter, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 3 tablespoons of dark brown sugar. Combine everything together except for the butter and walnuts. Now cut the butter into the mixture using 2 knives or a pastry blender. Only thing left to add to the topping are the walnuts. Stir them in. The ingredients you're going to need to make the bread are 1 cup of canned pumpkin, 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/3 cup of buttermilk, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, a half a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 cup of quick cooking oats, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1 egg. In a large bowl, you're going to mix all the dry ingredients together. That means the all-purpose flour, the quick cooking oats, the brown sugar, baking powder, ground cinnamon, salt, baking soda, and ground nutmeg. Now beat your egg and then add all the wet ingredients to your flour mixture. That means your egg, your vegetable oil, your buttermilk, your pumpkin, and your vanilla extract. Mix everything together until it's combined thoroughly, but don't overmix it. After everything's combined thoroughly, spray a 9x5 bread pan with non-stick cooking spray and add your bread mixture. Spread the mixture evenly. Now it's time to add the topping mixture. Just spread it out evenly too. Now spray the topping with a non-stick cooking spray. Bake in an oven that's been preheated to 350 degrees for about 50 minutes or until you can stick a fork in it and it comes out clean. This is one of my favorite breads to make in the fall. If you try to make this, let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any great recipes.